So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy Solana here on BTCC. So once the app's opened up, you can go to the home page here and deposit funds into your account. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press on the blue buy circle. Then in the top left where it says USDT to M, go ahead and select where it says spot. Then once you're here in the top left where it says Ethereum to USDT, select that and simply change this to Solana. Or in this case, you can go to USDC, see if it's there, it is there, or you can go to USDT and trade it there. Once you have Solana selected, you can then choose to buy by pressing buy or sell to press sell. You can also change the order type. I will just keep it to market for this example. Then right below, you can either type in the amount of Solana you want to buy or the amount. So for example, 10 USDT will give me that much Solana. If this is good and you want to proceed, you can go right below to where it says buy, the blue button, press that, and then proceed that way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Solana here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.